And the little card, your pickup is ready to use with a battery already installed. Myers Pickups were here to help. So there's a nice gig case sticker here. That's nice. And it comes in this nice little bag too, which is kind of good. And there's like a suction cup, which I'm not entirely convinced that's going to stay on my instrument, but we'll see. And there's this little gooseneck thing here that you stick inside your dulcimer. So let's go for this. Right, we're going to stick it inside. And it just plugs into a regular jack lead that you just plug into an amp like you would a guitar. So here goes. Okay. So here it's stuck on. This is what my dulcimer sounds like without the amp. So now we're going to switch on my amp. Let's see what this baby sounds like. And it's, oh, there's a gain thing. So we're going to turn the gain up. Let's turn it up to the max. Let's turn it up to number 11. So far I'm really impressed actually. It sounds really natural, really mellow. That's really cool. That's really cool. Yeah, my only slight worry is that because you have to stick it in here when you strum it. Oh, and it's just come off. Oh my god, okay. Okay, it's just come off. So yeah, in conclusion, I think it's a nice little lamp, it's a nice price, and it sounds really nice. And my only worry is this suction cup thing, because if I'm in a gig and this is just going to fall off, then that's just going to be really embarrassing and it might break the amp as well. So I might get in touch with Myers and see if there's anything they can suggest, because I kind of like to keep this because it sounds really nice.